Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Everything sucks. Just kidding. Fuck, I just did.
Let's start. Open Instagram. Then go to Reels. Then tap on Audio. And search song Everything Sucks. Select first audio. Make Reels on this audio. This is a different audio that we will change later. After recording Reels, go to Preview and tap on Save. Now open this reel in your gallery. Now you have to take screenshots of your actions. First take screenshot it sucks. Then second screenshot at great. Now take third screenshot at a wave. After doing this, now you need application called CapCut. Open CapCut. Go to New Project. And add your reel. Select Format 916. And delete the end part. Turn the video sound to 0. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now listen to the song and make a split at sucks. Now make a split at great. Now make a split at O wave. Now delete the rest of the audio. If you have created longer version, then you can use further. Now tap on the first split video. Then go to Replace. And replace it with the first screenshot. Now go to second split video. And replace it with the second screenshot. Now go to third split video. And replace it with the third screenshot. Now adjust the screenshot to full screen. Now apply effect. Tap on screenshot, then go to style. And apply cartoon effect to all screenshot. Now check your video.
Everything sucks. Fuck, I just did.
Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.